Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to capture or how you can record with HD high quality resolution video in Snapchat. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure you set your phone camera to be higher resolution. So for that, go ahead and tap on your phone camera. And then having opened up your phone camera, you need to do some settings in your phone camera. So for that, you want to make sure you click on this setting icon. Just locate a setting icon on your phone camera, whether photo. So right here, if you are trying to record video with higher resolution, go ahead and tap on the video section on your phone camera. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and make sure you click on the setting icon on your phone camera. Click on setting icon, and then you want to make sure that you check on the video quality on your phone right here. So check on video quality. So this particular phone right here, the maximum quality for this is 2000 kV with so the video quality for this particular phone here is 2K with 30 frame rate per second, which is the maximum right here. However, from your own end, your maximum video quality might be 4K or 8K with different frame rate. Just make sure you choose the higher value of the frame rate and the higher value of the quality. So make sure you select on that. So once you set your camera to be quality standard, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your Snapchat. So for that, I'm going to exit from here now, and I will go ahead and then open up my Snapchat app right here. So having opened up my Snapchat app, then it's going to load up right here. Then if you are trying to record the front camera, you can leave it in front camera, or better still, you can decide to switch from front camera to back camera, as the case may be. All in all, you are getting higher resolution video in this particular section right here. And then for you to have the higher resolution in increasing in your Snapchat, go ahead and click on HD right here. So click on HD. Cool. Now you see that the quality of the video has improved right here. So whether it is front camera or back camera, like I said, now I have a very higher resolution video right here. Now the next thing you want to do here is to press your record button. So for that, go ahead and click on here and start your recording. Then release the mouse, then your video is going to be ready, just like what you see right here. You can see I have successfully recorded higher resolution video in Snapchat. It's that simple. You can go on and play your video as much as possible. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then you can decide to change the music of the video, and at the same time you can add the video to your story. You can as well save the video to your gallery, or you can as well send the video, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Snapchat like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.